Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Honda Accord Sedan LX. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with keyless entry, power side mirrors, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. 16-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic halogen daytime running lights with delay off, and a strong four-cylinder with only 35,905 miles. Key fob trunk release, large LED brake lights, sleek badging, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable cloth bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, distance pacing, a power outlet, outside temp, a tilting telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the entertainment system with a CD player, Bluetooth, and speed compensating volume, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.